Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
This guide shows how to obtain an AR in Dying Light 2 easily. You need to reach at least level 15 to reliably find firearms from enemies. Complete main quest arcs that unlock merchants and safe zones in the city to increase weapon availability. Carry at least one crowbar or wrench to open weapon crates and locked doors during raids. Stockpile 500 to 1,500 scrap and 2 weapon parts to craft or trade for guns when you locate blueprints. Be prepared for combat when entering quarantine zones and guarded military sites. ARs appear in specific military caches and guarded stores across the map. Search the Old Town and Green Zone outskirts for armored convoys and caches that often contain guns. Check houses near radio towers and power plants for weapon crates and safes behind locked doors. Loot bodies of heavily armed faction soldiers and bounties after combat encounters to score rare weapons. Buy AR parts or complete side quests that reward ranged weapon blueprints from merchants. Use the binoculars to mark supply runs and then plan a safe approach route. Once you find an AR, you can repair it using 1 weapon part and 250 scrap at a workbench. Upgrade the AR at a workbench using 1 blueprint and 3 weapon parts to improve damage and handling. Expect vendors to sell ARs for roughly 500 to 500 or 1,000 to 3,000 scrap, depending on rarity. Ammo comes as 56 rounds and costs about 5 scrap per 10 rounds in most shops. Attach silencers, extended mags, and scopes to reduce recoil and increase range for tougher fights. Store duplicates in stash to transfer between characters or future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.